powerful aspects of Linux is the fact that the user has the ability to configure the behavior of any part of the operating system. Some of the most common parameters can be configured by using graphical tools. However, there are thousands of configurable parameters available, and these are not all covered by the graphical tools. So it is very likely that you will need to use the command line to change a parameter. These parameters are saved as configuration files in the file system accessible through Terminal. To have a look at the configuration files and folders, first get to the start of the file system and then get into etc. folder. Do ls to see configuration folders and files like SSH, Emacs, and many more. As this demonstration concerns sound configuration, file named modules they're inside needs to be edited. After returning to the start of the file system, first create a copy of the file to be edited for restoration safety in case of any error made in the process. So, type sudo cp modules, being the file name to be copied, followed by modules.old, being the file name to be copied to, and hit enter. Now again cd to etc. folder, and see the new file has been created. Thereafter, to edit configuration file for sound, type sudo nano /etc/ modules and hit enter. Inside the file, type enable sound as comment, followed by snd_bcm2835 as sound module. Then press Ctrl+O to save the file and Ctrl+X to exit the file. Then, on returning to the start, type sudo reboot and press enter to update the changes to the system. After reboot, see the contents of edited configuration file by typing les/etc/modules and pressing enter. Then press Q to quit. Alternatively, cat method or more method as shown earlier may also be applied. Then type clear and press enter to clear the terminal, and type exit and press enter to exit the terminal. If this video is found useful, please like and subscribe to support more of such videos in future. Thanks for watching.